One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.
I can do anything. I can reach any goal today. I can do what I want. I can be what I want to be.
Introducing the Vapor Rhino 3-in-1 system. 145 PSI of cleaning madness.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We are proud to introduce the Vapor Rhino 3-in-1 mobile detail system. We're so excited. Our new extracting package is performing far better than ever expected. The footage you're about to see and are seeing right now is just self-explanatory. Superheated steam extraction works, period. It's a great system, using anywhere from 1 to 5 gallons of water an hour, as opposed to most wet extractors, which use approximately 1 gallon a minute, maybe even half a gallon a minute if you have a dry extractor. And that's dry. So ours is using a gallon on up to 5 gallons of water per hour. That is dry, man. It's a fantastic system. And you can see the results here. We're extracting the dirt like nothing else. Vapor Rhino 3-in-1. We're very proud of this system. Putting the end user above profit. We believe that the best business model is the win-win model. A situation where both you and the client benefit. This goes for you in your detail business, your janitorial business, or whatever it is. But it also goes for us here at Vapor Rhino. That is the why behind why we put a separate vacuum source on the Vapor Rhino rather than a piggyback system. You see, we could have piggybacked a special high-cost vacuum to the back of the Vapor Rhino and charged a whole lot more for it and made more money on the replacement parts, but we didn't. And we did this for several reasons. Reason number one, dependability. No more complex integrated circuitry to fail. That's important. Right? This is not a complicated integrated circuit system. It is two separate systems working together. 2, no loss of power during extraction. This is critical too, by the way. Traditionally, most dual mount systems have to sacrifice power from one of the heating elements to allow you to activate the vacuum. This vacuum takes a fair amount of power. Not so here. Vapor Rhino keeps chugging along at full power even while extracting, simply because your shop vac is plugged into a totally different power source than your Vapor Rhino. 3, this is a very important reason as well. It just goes along with dependability, but for a slightly different reason than in the complex integrated circuitry. As we said before, there's no integrated circuitry and no high-priced replacement vacuum systems required. Remember, you have a piggyback system, and if your vacuum burns out and you can't fix it yourself or something, you're going to have to get that specialty vacuum that's going to mount there and that it plugs into and has everything that matches. Not so here. So if you have your vacuum hooked up to the Vapor Rhino 3-in-1 system, your reliability is awesome because you have the machine, you have the vacuum never burns out. It's just a standard vacuum. And by the way, you can even use the suction from your old extractor. Plug your old extractor, 1.5-inch hose, right into the back of the Rhino, or get an adapter for a 2-inch hose or whatever you have. Plug it in, great suction source. But anyway, if your vacuum burns out and you're stuck and you can't do your upholstery extraction anymore, you just run down to the local hardware store, get another vacuum, come on back, plug it into the back of the Rhino, boom, you're back in business within an hour. No special high-cost vacuums, and usually for under $100. So there are many great reasons. You got dependability, no loss of power, you got reliability, you got ease of replacement parts, and it's just a fantastic system. So yep, you could have piggybacked the vac and charged more for the whole system and made more money on parts and replacement vacuums in the future. But we figure making the Vapor Rhino ultra dependable and versatile is a win-win for us. It's to win the trust and respect of our end users, you guys, the people we care about, in the long run. This, for everybody, is a win-win. As our name grows and you guys like our products and you can see how great they are, and I really think it's a fantastic product, probably one of those fantastic products on the market. Ultra portable system, a complete huge accessory package. It's a 3-in-1 system. You can do wet, this is an deep upholstery extraction. You can do dry vapor steaming. You can do wet soap steam cleaning. So you can use it as a wet steamer as well. But you can also take the tools we have here and you can clean upholstery without the extraction system. There are so many ways to do it. Watch our videos, you'll see what to do. And of course you have the whole range of potential uses, from the janitorial business to the automotive detail business to the mobile car wash systems to cleaning machine parts in factories and food processing plants, you name it. The Vapor Rhino is truly versatile. We're very proud of the system, and I hope you like the footage here. This is an introduction to the new 3-in-1 system, and we thank you for listening. More to come. So now you've seen the incredible upholstery extraction capabilities of the Vapor Rhino 145 PSI 3-in-1 system. Now let's look at the other two modes. In wet soapy mode, the Vapor Rhino is king, perfect for powering through a huge range of cleaning jobs, including but not limited to engine cleaning. See our engine cleaning video, by the way, for more information on this topic. With just a push of a button on the steam gun, you can activate the hot soap injection or hot water injection on the fly. I mean, it's perfect for applying wash and wax solutions, injecting detergents, or sanitizers as well. Did you know the injection system is fully adjustable? Well, it is. From 0 to 100% flow, you decide. You have control. You have the power. This feature alone sets the Vapor Rhino 145 PSI steam system apart from the competition. Powerful features for powerful results. Beauty, simplicity, Vapor Rhino. Did you guys know that when you order your Vapor Rhino now, you get an extra chemical jug with the Vapor Rhino system? You do. You'll get 3 jugs in all, one for your water feed for your boiler, another one for hot water injection system, and another one to store various chemical substances. So changing between chemical and hot water injections is snap. Just pop one jug out, stick another one in, and boom, you're in business. Beautiful system. We try to make everything as versatile and as convenient as we can possibly do for you guys. Next, let's look at the dry vapor steam mode. This mode, you have 95% dry vapor steam. It's perfect for taking wrinkles out of plastic windows like you're seeing here for this golf cart, and has thousands of other potential applications, from tile and grout cleaning to commercial restroom cleaning to cleaning commercial kitchens and cleaning battery compartments like you see here. Pretty much your imagination is the limit. There are so many different things you can do in dry vapor steam mode. In fact, we're going to give you a little montage of different things here as we go along and talk to show you some of the possibilities. The Vapor Rhino is an incredibly well-rounded package. I mean, we have the 3-in-1 system. You have the upholstery extraction package. You have the hot water and chemical injection system. You have the ability to do upholstery in dry steam mode without the extraction package, cleaning windows, glass, plastic. You can clean vinyl seats, leather, battery compartments, electrical components like this. You can sanitize air conditioning vents, clean dashboards and headliners, and so many other things. Not to mention the 50-piece accessories we offer. You see the scrubbing right here with the large triangle brush and the short aluminum insulated pole we have there. You can do tile and grout cleaning, you can do steam mopping, you can do floor grout cleaning, as we said before. And with their 50-piece included 50-piece accessory kit, I mean, it just opens up the doors to so many possibilities. Very often, you guys, the end users, come back to us with ideas for using the Vapor Rhino that I never thought of. We had one company that was using it to clean ink cartridges. Pretty cool idea, but it works great for them. They employ a lot of systems to do just that. So the Vapor Rhino, fantastic system, robust with features. We built it to be rock solid and durable. We had somebody making fun of our rugged looking design one time and saying our wheels were a little big, and I'm like, well, that's because everything about the Rhino, internally and externally, was built to be solid as a rock. I mean, even the stainless steel handle on the machine, you pick that up, that's a one-piece piece of metal. It is solid, and it's rugged, and it's designed to last. And it's also designed to be practical. That handle collapses. You can take 4 thumb screws out, heavy-duty thumb screws out, pull the handle off, that's the handle that holds the jug in the basket, and it break down something that's about 20-25 inches tall, and you put it in the back of your SUV, or even in most trunks. So the thing is extremely portable. It's extremely versatile, weighing around 50 pounds, by the way, 50, 60 pounds, depending on whether or not it's wet. Extremely portable, extremely versatile. It's the great mobile system. It's also a great stationary system, whether you're doing auto detailing or you're on the fly doing stuff like janitorial cleaning in restaurants and stuff. Beautiful system. This is interesting footage here too. We're actually sanitizing the vents in the car. And if you turn on the vent control, turn the car on, you could have it coming out the top vents, the side vents, whichever you want. It's just a beautiful system. There's so many things you can do in the detailing business, from car detailing to antique restoration to spot cleaning carpets. It's just a beautiful system. Vapor Rhino 145 PSI 3-in-1, 3 machines in 1 vapor steam cleaning system. One system, thousands of uses. Beauty, simplicity, rugged durability, Vapor Rhino.
One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.
This is great footage here. You're watching dry vapor steam mode attacking this old, dirty, muddy truck. And look at how quickly this back panel is being cleaned. And the technician, if you were to employ the hot water injection, would go even quicker. This is the perfect mobile car wash system. Crank up a generator, go from site to site. You can clean the outside of the car, you can clean the inside of the car, do full detailing with one system. Beautiful, beautiful system. Vapor Rhino. Very impressive. You're seeing the technician here trying to scrub in dry mode only. You can do it. You can certainly clean the engine in dry mode, but watch, when you push that button there, see all that soap and hot water that's coming out of there? That makes a tremendous difference when you clean the application. And you don't always need to use the soap, by the way. You can fill that jug with plain old tap water, and you have hot water injection. Beautiful tool for scrubbing and rinsing. Powerful feature. And that injection system, by the way, is 100% adjustable. If you don't like the amount of water or soap that's coming at her, turn it down to 0, 10%, whatever you like, anywhere in between. The dry vapor steam mode is also fully adjustable. With that, let's take a look at some of the features of the Vapor Rhino 145 PSI 3-in-1 system. Most vapor steam cleaners offer only 1 or 2 features with their systems. A huge number of them are still based on the 1980s single tank technology. Many more, well, they're just made in China. Not so with the Vapor Rhino. It's first world craftsmanship all the way, and this is loaded with robust yet simple to use features. So let's take a look at some of those features right now. The Vapor Rhino is ruggedly built with a solid stainless steel body and boiler system, and it's designed for years of faithful use. Next, fan-cooled electronics for long life. We're proud to introduce this life-increasing technology to our vapor steam systems. Next, available in 120 volt systems for your convenience, and also in 230 volts for the contractor that demands maximum power and maximum performance for maximum results at the greatest possible speeds. Vapor Rhino gives you options. Generator compatible. Go 100% mobile with the generator, or plug it right into your location, your wall outlet. Mobile or stationary, the Vapor Rhino gets the job done. No expensive special water requirements. Just add simple tap water or filtered water to the refill tank. Most steamers on the market range from 30, 40 psi on up to about 75 psi, and some ranges in between, of course, as well. The Vapor Rhino gives you ultra high maximum pressure outputs of 145 psi. That's 10 bars. That's huge. The Vapor Rhino incorporates powerful, time-saving, paradigm-changing continuous fill technology. Never again will you have to let your steamer cool down before refilling it. Back in my contracting days, there were many times I got to almost to the end of a job, just ready to finish up, and steamer ran out of steam. We had to cool it down, fill it up, and warm it up again. That's not so with the Vapor Rhino. The Vapor Rhino uses a continuous fill technology, 2 different tanks. One is your boiler system, one is your water feed tank. The water feed tank is non-pressurized. That means that you can add water on the fly. If it ever needs water, you can literally keep on working and someone else could dump water in your refill tank. Beautiful, beautiful time-saving feature. The Vapor Rhino vapor steam output is 100% adjustable, up to 95% dry and completely variable. From the smallest gentle whisper, for use on a small antique or something delicate, on up to a thunderous display. You're in control. 100% adjustable injection system also, another paradigm changer. You can control how much hot water or hot soap is injected into the superheat the steam flow. Most of the systems on the market don't even have an injection system. Our system is powerful and cutting edge. At any time during the operation, at any PSI range from the beginning to the end, simply click the thumb-activated injection system for a powerful burst of hot water and or chemicals from your gun. Included are multiple jugs for multiple solution storage, so you can switch between your zip wax and your hot water injection by just popping in another jug with the quick releases. Beautiful, beautiful system designed for people who work and need to get the job done. Just notice the footage in the background here. It is amazing the way you can clean and restore window seals, get the gunk out of there, do door jams, and of course the entire inside of the car. There's going to be a whole montage of different things coming up as we go from this motorcycle right on up to cleaning a lawnmower. But let's continue with our features list. The Vapor Rhino comes standard with a detachable main steam hose for easy replacement. Listen, things happen on the job. Sometimes you get things caught in the door, or somebody drives over your hose with a truck, or whatever it might be. The dog eats your homework. The bottom line is, that hose, with a push of a button, disconnects from the machine, You can give us a phone call. You can order a hose right away and get right back to work. The detachable main steam hose is very important. And with the 230-volt system, we have available for you an extra long 26-foot steam hose. The 120-volt system has a little bit shorter hose, so be aware of that as well. Check the specifications or give us a call for more details on it. But the steam hose is ruggedly designed. It's got a beautiful ergonomically designed handle with the thumb-activated chemical injection, steam injection, and easy release steam trigger. Beautiful system, beautifully designed.
One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.
The Vapor Rhino also incorporates triple redundant safety features as well. We can throw in one more as well, the gun-activated steam trigger. You let go of it, it turns off, you pull the trigger, it goes on. And that trigger, by the way, again, still talking about the gun, it's such a beautiful, simple system. When you squeeze the gun handle, you're automatically pulling the trigger, unless you don't want to. You can loosen up on it a little bit. So it's designed to be easy to hold and easy to use, and it's also safety. On the gun itself is another switch you can flip that'll turn off the steam altogether, so you can pull the trigger all you want. You'll never accidentally steam something. Beautiful feature. Low water usage. Depending on whether or not you pick up the 120-volt system or the robust 230-volt system, your water usage is going to vary anywhere from 1 gallon of water an hour on up to 5 gallons of water an hour. And that depends on whether or not you activate the injection system. An example, the 120-volt system uses between 1 and 3 gallons of water an hour. It uses less water because it has less output because of the voltage. The 230-volt system uses between 2 gallons of water and 5 gallons of water an hour. So that's an hour, by the way. Think of the average pressure washer. You turn on a pressure washer using 3, 4, 5 gallons of water a minute. Translate that by the hour. That's a lot. That's a lot of water. That's huge tanks in the back of your truck. Vapor Rhino, not so. 1 to 5 gallons of water an hour maximum. And in dry steam mode, it's 1 to 2 gallons of water an hour. You can go all dry and use very, very little water. It's really an amazing system.
One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.
Don't forget the system is ultra portable and weighing in around 55 pounds depending on how much water you have in it. There's 2 ergonomically designed angled handles on the front of the machine allow you to bend down and grab it and pull it up to your chest incredibly easily. It's very easy to pick up and carry around. It's designed that way on purpose. So it's mobile, it's lightweight, portable, it rolls really beautiful with its oversized locking wheels, so it's great for rolling around a house, an office, a garage, a driveway, or even on the street. Beautiful, beautiful system designed to be 100% mobile. Works with the generator or plug it into a house. Depending on which system you get a 230-volt system, you have to make special arrangements for plugging it into a house. It's a really beautiful portable system. Furthermore, we got to point out that this is a 100% environmentally friendly system. If you're living in a place like California or one of these areas where there's a lot of water restrictions and they're cracking down on the car wash systems and everything else, and they're telling them they have to do water reclamation and all this, you can actually wash a car where not one drop of water hits the ground. You can do it that way in dry steam mode, or you can do it a little bit faster in wet mode if you like. But it's a 100% environmentally allergy and asthma safe, all natural vapor steam cleaning process that, when used right, kills biological contaminants such as fleas, lice, scabies, insects, their eggs, their larvae, bacteria, mold spores, mildew, and much more. All this without chemicals. The Vapor Rhino really gives you your business an edge, and it gives you a really powerful sales pitch. And you can come to your customers, unlike the other auto detailer or mobile detailer or janitorial company, and you can pitch the environmentally friendly, all-natural, low-water use vapor steam cleaning process. I mean, this is a powerful sales pitch in today's environment, this eco-friendly environment that we live in. And not even just eco-friendly. The times when you're dealing with droughts or water restrictions, or you're in a very dry part of the country, this allows you to do work that otherwise would be restricted. Vapor Rhino, empowering our users with the best technology we can possibly incorporate, simplifying our units with the extraction system and a separate vacuum system so that it's powerful, robust, and dependable. It's a 3-in-1 system. It's an incredibly high PSI range of 145. It's got the injection system. I mean, it's just a robust, powerful system, and it rounds the whole thing off. Our price range is half of many of our competitors. I mean, there's very expensive machines out there that do the same kind of work. And your choice is here. First world craftsmanship, stainless steel construction, massive 50-piece accessory kit. I mean, that alone sets us apart from the competition. Air-cooled electronics, and all the features we talked about already. I really think the Vapor Rhino is just an incredibly powerful, robust, and versatile system. You can see us at vaporrhino.com. That's www.vaporrhino.com or 1-800-490-1886.
One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.
So we covered a lot in this video, but what we did not do was address the video montage that you've been watching in the background. So just in case you missed anything while listening, let's do a brief recap. Remember, Vapor Rhino, one machine, thousands of uses. So while you were watching today, you saw us cleaning automobile engines, battery compartments, removing wrinkles from clear vinyl windshields on a golf cart, cleaning vinyl seats. You saw us using the steam scrub brush on a metal bedpan. You saw mobile and stationary car washing in action. You saw us cleaning dashboards, door panels. You saw us cleaning the weather seals on the sides of doors. You saw us sanitizing a car air conditioner in the vents. You've seen us cleaning really tough stains of floor and upholstery in cars and trucks. You watched the amazing wet steam upholstery extraction on both car and truck seats with the new 3-in-1 concept. You saw us cleaning a motorcycle. You saw us cleaning sinks, toilets and such. It's perfect for urinals, the entire bathroom scene. You saw us steam mopping hardwood and vinyl flooring. You saw us cleaning sanded grout on both floors and in the shower. And you saw that particularly dirty floor, that shower pan after we were done. You saw us cleaning a water storage barrel, sanitizing bedding, killing bed bugs, lice, and scabies, sanitizing viruses and bacteria and more. And you can not only do this on your beds, but you can do this on carpeting, on your furniture, and so on. And you can definitely do this as part of your sales pitch when you're cleaning the interior of a car. You're sanitizing as you go. You're not just cleaning, you're sanitizing at the same time. What a powerful sales pitch. You've seen us cleaning ceiling fans. You've seen us cleaning small engines. You've seen us cleaning a generator. Vinyl sidings, and yes, the Vapor Rhino even does windows with the included steam squeegee. The Vapor Rhino truly is an incredible, versatile, powerful machine that has thousands of potential applications. One machine, thousands of uses.
Introducing the Vapor Rhino 3-in-1 system. 145 PSI of cleaning madness.
Well, there you have it. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1 Vapor Steam Cleaning System. Use it as a standalone or attach your vacuum to it to utilize it in its full superheated extraction mode. From hard surfaces to fabrics and upholstery, from glass to stainless steel, from antiques to stonework, the Vapor Rhino has thousands of uses. From mom's house to the factory, indoors or out, the 100% mobile, 100% environmentally friendly, allergy and asthma safe Vapor Rhino utilizes an all-natural, superheated steam process powered by the latest, most reliable technology available today. The Vapor Rhino allows you to clean, restore, and sanitize surfaces, removing dirts, soils, greases, as well as killing most biological contaminants on contact. Fleas, lice, bed bugs, dust mites, spores, and more are no match for the Vapor Rhino when used right. This product is probably the single most versatile cleaning machine available today. With its included highly diverse 50-piece cleaning kit, the Vapor Rhino is ready to go when you are. Solid stainless steel construction, intelligent design, and just as importantly, a truly fantastic low price. You might be asking, how do I get one? Well, it's very simple. You can go to our website at vaporrhino.com. That's vapor, VAPORRINO.com, and you can use the Easy Cart checkout system. You can call the 1-800 number right on the top of the website, really easy to see. You can talk to us first. We can guide you through it, but we can take your order on the phone. You can order online. You can pay straight up using a credit card or a check, or you can use one of our financing options. And you can find more about financing on our website at vaporrhino.com. We believe the bottom line is this. After you compare products, quality, accessories, features, and prices, it will become abundantly clear that the Vapor Rhino is really the only choice on the market that makes sense. Vapor Rhino, one machine, thousands of uses. So if you've liked what you learned here, there's really only one big decision to make. Is it the 120 volt version or the 230 volt version? Is the 230 volt any better than the 120? Well, simply put, yes. The 230 volt has a whole lot more power. I like to put it this way. If you can power up the 230 volt version and you have a way to plug her in, get it. Hands down, it's a better choice. Why? more power. You get a much higher and much more consistent flow of steam with the more powerful unit. If you can find a way to power it up and you want maximum performance at the greatest possible speeds, it's an easy choice. You can power a 230-volt Vapor Rhino one of three ways. You can use our easy in-home converter, which basically allows you to plug into two different household outlets that are out of phase from another and different circuits, combine that voltage, and it gives you power to power your Rhino. 2, you can install an outlet in your location. This is great if you have a bay or your garage or something you want to work with, and it's usually relatively inexpensive to have an outlet put in. Or 3, you can use a generator. And this option, by the way, is extremely popular with the mobile detailers out there. Getting a generator is a simple thing to do. Plug her right in and you're in business. So powering a 230-volt Rhino is easier than you might think. If you have any questions on that, give us a call. All that being said, the 120-volt system is still a fantastic machine. It's best in its class. I tell you, it's got all the same basic features as a 230-volt system. It's just got less wattage to heat the water, so the performance is a little bit different. But if you're looking for a machine that you can walk into virtually any building in the United States, plug it into a wall, and make sure it works without having to think about where to plug it in, without having to worry about a generator, without having to worry about the 230-volt converter or anything like that, the 120-volt is your machine of choice. It's a beautiful, simple machine, just as beautiful and robust as the 230-volt system, but with less wattage to heat the water. So either way you go, both systems are a winner. The 120-volt system for its ultra portability in the sense that you can plug it in anywhere, or the 230-volt system, which is just as portable, but you just have to make arrangements to where you're going to plug it in. Both beautiful, robust systems. VaporRhino.com. By the way, for those of you on a shoestring budget, check out VaporRhino.com. We had a couple of smaller starter machines, full commercial units, that'd be fantastic to help you launch your business if you're really on a tight budget. So check us out, VaporRhino.com. Thank you for listening. Remember, you and only you can make your business dreams a reality. Keep the vision, man. Constant and never-ending improvement is one key to success. Forget past mistakes, forget the failures, forget everything except what you're doing now and do it to the best of your ability. Someone once said that success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. This is pretty much true, but you need to stay inspired. So I encourage you guys out there to seek out those who will motivate you. Surround yourself with winners and seek positive input. Dream big, live large. Thank you for listening, everybody. Best wishes, and until next time, this is Vapor Rhino signing off. Work hard, live free. Vapor Rhino.
I can do anything. I can reach any goal today. I can do what I want. I can be what I want to be.
One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.
Another fight in our little war. Only this feels a little different from the battles of before. So I stumbled through the house and I opened every door. Then I saw me. I saw me without you. Well, I was lost, dazed and confused. To let you go, baby, I refuse. 'Cause I saw me without you. Seen it all on the mirrored wall. I tripped the light, fandango, but all I did was fall. In the restaurant, I ordered for two. When the waitress brought the plates, I sat there like a fool, so I ran out to the street. And I wondered what to do. Then I saw me. And I saw me without you. Well, I was lost, dazed and confused. To let you go, baby, I refuse. you go. Baby, I refuse to that's on me. Without you, oh, that's on me. Without you, and I'm lost, dazed and confused to let you go. Baby, I refuse to that's on me. Without you, oh, that's on me. Without you.
One system, thousands of uses. The Vapor Rhino 3-in-1.